Good.
Okay, I can always edit it out. So you place them in, you want to make sure your tomato necks are low. You never want to sit them on the surface. Here's some extra fill soil that you just place around the outside. Pack it in, not too tightly, but nice, and make sure that we're covered. I'll go to the next one and do the same thing. See where we are. Peel them open. This is the same procedure for when I'm removing actual starter plants from the cups. As I said, tomato plants are incredibly resilient. Unlike cucumbers, cucurbits and melons, they don't like to be transplanted. But it's as simple as this. Here's some extra chaff. Just put it back over it. You don't need to waste it. This will all break down to compost. And hold that camera as we're doing this. Did you take my spade?
Yep.
Thank you. And this is as easy as it is. Watch. Just dig it in and you pull up a plug and it gives you a void with which you can work. And now, as I said, tomato plants, look at how root bound they look. Many other varieties of plants could not tolerate this sort of shock. Ideally, I wouldn't have done this to them, but they're still going to survive. And you make sure to really get it down in there, right? Backfill it. And key, after all of this, is that you saturate them. Anytime you transplant anything, water will stop root shock. And these are embedded properly, 3 to a bale, and they will grow into these trellises that you wire 1 year and they just reproduce. You just keep them in the same place for years to come. And just replace the actual bales. So just because we're here and I don't want to use a regular hose, I'm going to make sure I've put a fair amount of moisture in that hot spot. Mind you, these bales are kept moist every day. We let them run every day just to make sure they keep their thermal mass, so their nitrogen is breaking down this straw into available bionutrients. No weeds, no bending, except for when I'm putting them in. Within a week, they're going to be this tall. And as they bear fruit, they'll be up here. You just walk out and you pick your fruit.